My name's Taylor Walls, and I wanted to share with you a brief story. So this past November on Thanksgiving, my brother and I were sitting down, and towards the end of the evening, we decided to get out an old box of photos. As we started going through those photos, and some of these age, they're 25 years old, they're 50 years old, and some of them are only 8 to 10 years old. As we started going through it, my now 6-year-old daughter came over and noticed a picture of my brother and myself sitting next to each other, and we both had shaved heads. The story behind that is that he had battled Burkitt's lymphoma, and he was going through chemotherapy treatment at that time. But my 6-year-old didn't know that because she wasn't born yet. So what that allowed us to do by going through those photos is share that story of his journey, my support, and his triumphant moment getting out of that. And as soon as we started going through those photos, the one thing that it reminded me of was PSG Photo Solutions, because it's so important to make sure that those legacies of photos are not lost for future generations so that you can continue to share your story in the future.